everyone. My name is Sihan. I am studying in third class. I am telling Stotras of Vishnu. Shantakaram Bhujanashenam Padmanabham Suresham Vishwakaram Gaganashadyusham Megavannam Shubhangam Lakshmikantam Kamalanayanam Yogi Vruddhyanagamyam Vande Vishnum Bhavabhayaharam Sarvalokaitanartam Garudagama Tava Charana Kamala Vihamanasina Satu Mama Nityam Garudagama Tava Charana Kamala Vihamanasina Satu Mama Nityam Manasina Satu Mama Nityam Mamata Pamapa Gurudeva Mamata Pamapa Gurudeva Shankachatra Dusta Daivyamana Sarvaloka Shananar Shankachatra Dusta Daivyamana Sarvaloka Shananar Sarvaloka Shananar Mamata Pamapa Gurudeva Mamata Pamapa Gurudeva Mamata Pamapa Gurudeva Mamata Pamapa Gurudeva Kamala Kucha Chuchuka Kumkumata Niyataru Nitatula Nilatana Kamalayatalochana Lokapate Vijayi Bhava Venkata Shailapate. Thank you.